Setzer in weather control, we're getting much better information, aren't we?
We are getting much better information, and now that the planes are dissecting the storm, we'll be able to know more about the wind profile of the storm, where the strongest winds are in the storm, and what the storm is doing, if it's strengthening rapidly, if it's strengthening slowly. One thing we already know is that the pressure is down, and we'll show you that in just a second. Here is a latest look from real-time Doppler 4, and you can see a well-defined eye there. The heaviest weather remains on the south and east side of the storm, but if this continues where we have the thunderstorms working and rotating around the eye, which would be an indication of strengthening. It also increases the potential that there will be a band or a core of very strong winds associated with that so-called eye wall, that eye wall right there that appears to be forming. All right, this is the 11 o'clock advisory, but we just got what's called a position estimate in, or position update, and they're saying now the center is, and we'll update the graphics in just a second, 26.2, so it hasn't moved any farther to the north, it's moving west, and 79.4 on the longitude there. So 26.2, 79.4. They don't give us winds with this, but they give us a position now with respect to Fort Lauderdale, and they're saying 45 miles east of Fort Lauderdale. So this continued westerly motion is bringing the center and the bad weather closer and closer to our coast. In terms of what's going on locally and what's to be expected, let's take a look.